In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Canon PIXMA TS6260 printer with an Android device. To get started, use your chosen device to download the Canon Print app by going to the Google Play Store. Search for the Canon Print app. The app looks like this. Install the app onto your device. While it's downloading, go to your new printer. Using the Operations panel, press the Connection button here. Your printer will confirm if you would like to connect a computer or a smartphone. Press Yes. Your printer will then take a few moments to activate its wireless direct function and create its own unique network. Your screen will then prompt you to return to your smart device where you can continue the setup. Open the Canon app that you have just downloaded and launch it. You will be asked to agree to a license agreement before being asked to grant permission for the app to access your Android's photos, media and files, your location, etc. You will then land on this home screen. A pop-up will ask you if you would like to set up an existing Wi-Fi network for your printer. Click OK. The app will then take a few moments to process the connection before prompting you to select your Wi-Fi network. Press Yes and select the name of the wireless network and enter the password. Tap OK. The network settings will now be sent to the printer. Congratulations, you are now connected and ready to print or scan. If you would like to connect additional Android devices, up to 5 in total, simply repeat these steps with each device.